Hey y'all, today we're going to do steak fajitas. I usually find just a really cheap cut of steak. It's real thin, like a chuck steak, something like that. You don't always have to use skirt steak like some people do. This meat that I'm putting in the pan now is something that my Walmart already sells, and I'm not really sure what it is. Asada beef, I think, or something like that. So I'm gonna get it. It's not perfectly cut or anything. It's just like a lot of little random pieces, but it'll work. This is, just for us at home. It's not for a dinner party or anything like that. So I soaked it all day in Dale's marinade. Any type of marinade that you would just normally soak a steak in, you can do that. I don't usually put a fajita seasoning pack in it. And this has been soaking in this all day. We're also going to do some chicken ones at the end. Basically, my chicken and my beef fajitas just the same, just different kinds of meat. Chopped up my onion, just little random little piece slices or whatever. I didn't buy any bell pepper because I had some frozen still from the garden. So I'm going to put it in this bowl with the onion just to sit until I'm ready for it. It's not going to hurt anything. May have a little bit of water down on the bottom, and I can just pour that out. Okay, everybody, so I managed to do beef fajitas, a little bit of chicken, and here's my vegetables. Like I said in my chicken fajita video, you take a little bit of your marinade. You do not have to marinate the vegetables. You take a little bit of marinade, possibly add a little bit of water to it, just depending on if it's starting to stick. Add your vegetables in, saute them until they're tender enough for you. That could be completely translucent. That could be just like I have them here. where they're not really translucent, but they're not really crunchy anymore. And that's it. It's not going to hurt you. And to put them in the marinade that the raw meat was in. I've done it for years. It's always been fine. So we got our steak fajita, we got chicken fajita, and here's our vegetables. And then we got all of our toppings right here. Quick, easy dinner. And the only thing I had to buy was marinade to marinate the meat in. That's it. And you know, here in Alabama we have Dale's marinade and Moore's marinade. I do not know if that's nationwide, but it's just a simple marinade. And we use it for our steak. You can use it for any kind of meat or vegetable. Okay, that's all for today. It's a really nice, light, easy spring or summer type meal. And you can actually grill this meat. You don't even have to cook it on the stove if you don't want to. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.